Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all what's in my courier service / local delivery service business plan template. So the way the video is going to work out is, first and foremost, I'm going to give you all a little bit of information about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to dive into examining the Word document section of my courier service / local delivery service business plan template. So my template does come with two documents. First is the Word document, and the second one is the financial model in Excel. In this video, like I said, we're going to go through the Word document, and I'll briefly introduce the Excel file, but using the Excel file, that's in a separate video. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy PowerPoint presentation / reviewing of the courier service / local delivery service business plan template. All right, as promised, a little bit about me. Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of utilizing my business plan template for a local delivery service or a courier service, if y'all want to avoid doing that, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. Also, I am a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding those pesky financial models and financial projections. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you're able to handle your business plan yourself, but you need some help with your financial projections, give me a call and let me know. Love to do them for you. All right, so with that said, let's talk about my courier service / local delivery service business plan template. So when you do buy this template, and if you do want to buy this template, I'll give you the link at the end of the video. But if you do want to buy the template, this is what the Word portion is going to look like. Right here on the title page, it does say courier service business plan. You can change this out. You can put your company name here. You can put your logo here. Again, customizable. Have fun with it. Next could be table of contents. Once you're done updating the business plan, you add a little bit of meat to the bone. Then you're going to want to update the table of contents. The way to do that, just click on it. Click on Update Table. Update Entire Table. Click OK. And the page numbers and the titles will update accordingly. Next portion is going to be the executive summary section. In the executive summary section, you are able to outline the courier and local delivery service, just a summary of your company, target market, financial highlights, and then how much money you need to get the party started. And for the financial highlights, in order to get these numbers here, your next year projections, your cost, and your net profits, all you're going to do is you're going to go to the Excel file that's included in the template. Once you download it, update all your information. Again, the video to use this template is on a separate video. But once all your information is updated, go to the projections tab, and then the first three numbers right here under year one is information that you need. So if you see annual revenues is aligned with annual revenues, costs are aligned with cost, and then net profits are aligned with net profits. Next section is the funding request, how much money, again, you need to get the party started. On the next page is the company description section. So this is where you're going to put your company information, whether it's limited liability or what have you. Services provided, I did give you a starting point for the services. I've given you a courier service, just a basic courier service definition, as well as a transportation service, transportation service segment as well. So if you're going to be doing local deliveries as well as a courier service, then you can utilize both. If you're going to do one or either, then just get rid of the service that you don't need. If you're just going to do the transportation service, the local delivery, get rid of the courier, and you're all set, ready to go. Here is what the competitive advantage section looks like: target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, And then finally, in this section, I do include the business objectives and timeline. This is more of a snippet of your strategic plan. Your business plan is going to describe your organization, whereas your strategic plan is going to tell the reader where you're going and what objectives you need to attain and when in order to achieve your vision. So this snippet right here is just a part of a strategic plan, gives you the opportunity to summarize some of your strategies for the reader in your plan. Next is your industry analysis, already complete. This information is pretty much ready to go, and it's all set, summarized from IBIS world. Next is your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. When you're updating this, just click on the smart art here, click on the little arrow here, and then just update the information accordingly. Once you're done, click on the box and your smart art will be updated. Organizational structure is broken into the legal structure. Again, company name, name of your what your services you're providing, type of corporation, owners' names, and then here is another smart art piece of information for you. It's just broken into the CEO, manager, dispatcher, drivers, package, or receiver. If you don't have a package or receiver, you can simply get rid of it by clicking that little arrow button, highlighting it, backspace, and it's gone. And the smart art automatically adjusts for you. Marketing section, I've written many courier service / local delivery services business plans, and typically most organizations are going to use a three-pronged approach for the marketing: traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. So I've given you a starting point for each one of them. If you're not going to do internet marketing, just simply highlight it, backspace, and you've now got 2 instead of 3, but you're still all set, ready to go. And again, just add a little bit more beat. This is a starting point. You can add the details if you like. Next section is the funding request section. How much money do you need to get? How much money do you need in order to launch your business? Here are the interest rates that you expect, and this is the length or the maturity of the loan that you expect as well. So this is your funding request section. Next section is the financial projections, and it does come with 12-month profit and loss, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, month 10 through 12, quarter 4. Then you've got your pro forma income statement. Now, when you do update the financial model, and as you're all done, and you want to update your business plan with your new financials, all you're going to do is you're going to highlight whatever the financial model, whatever the chart that you want to update, delete it, and then go to the appropriate tab. And here is your profit and loss tab, and then here's your income statement tab. So once you're here, just copy the income statement, Control C, move back to your business plan template, Control V, and now you've got your updated financial projections. Once you make your changes in Excel, just copy and paste and put them right into the document. And once you're done with that, you're all set, ready to go. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up, and then we can call it a day. All right, so in summary, so that was my word section portion of my courier service and local delivery service business plan template. If you like what you see, I'll go ahead and give you the link right here, qualitybusinessplan.com/courier service business plan template. So you just click there and you can go ahead and purchase and download the template there. Keep in mind, it is a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model in Excel. Because it's in Word and Excel, it's not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. And the biggest thing I can't stress is there's no free phone support. If you have a question about the courier service or local delivery service business plan template before you buy, give me a call. Would love to have a conversation. Once you make the purchase, then I will refer you to the Quality Business Plan tutorials. And I do have a lot of tutorials to help you write that business plan or customize the template, and it's right here. And then finally, if y'all do want a business plan written custom by myself, just visit my prices page right here. And yeah, hopefully this information was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.